Hi, this is Angela Remington. We're going to talk about USD 469's new programs for social emotional attributes and individual plans of study programs. These are new programs that will be implemented into our middle school in the next couple of years. We are going to start off implementing these new programs by finding out where we are now. So two committees will be formed to assess the perceptions and current status of our students in the areas of social emotional attributes and of individual plans of studies for students grades 6 through 8. Our committees will help implement these new programs. Part of the committee's responsibilities will be to help create the curriculum goals. So each committee will analyze data to determine where our students stand in each of those components, then create goals for our students at each grade level 6 through 8 for social emotional growth and individual plans of study. The big idea here is where do we want our students to be at the end of each of those years in each of the categories, and then how do we get them there? Once we've determined what our goals are for each of those grade age groups and we have assessed where we are currently through our surveys and our assessment tools for individual plans of studies, then what we need to do is identify the gaps and then determine how to close them. So we will find out where students are not reaching the goals that we have set for grade 6, 7, and 8. And those will be based on our initial assessments tools. Then we'll make a plan to help our students close the gaps. So we need to think about these things. What are our objectives? What strategies will we use to support our students? What plan of action are we going to use for instruction? Who will be doing the instructing? And what materials do we need? How will we measure our strategies and action success? And what resources will we need for that? When will we start, finish, and assess? And then finally evaluate the program that we have designed. So both of these new programs are about non-academic abilities, and they've determined that they are as much or more important than academic progress to the success of our students. And so these are really important programs to put in place. Our social emotional attributes that we're looking for: do our students have the kind of character it takes to land and keep jobs? Do they have integrity, grit when things get difficult? Are they being trained to be on time, be courteous, have personal communications so that they can interact with customers, bosses, colleagues, those kinds of things? For the individual plan of study, we want to make sure that our students know what they want to do in their future and that we give them the tools to go from where they are now to the future that they see. So part of this will be doing interest inventories, so our students find out what kinds of things, what kind of jobs they are interested in, what are their future goals, and then creating the plan so that they can reach the goals for the future that they want. These are all part of our College and Career Ready standards. So we're introducing these programs to align with the Kansas State Department of Education's Career and College Readiness Standards. We will need to build this program from scratch with the needs and values of our community at the core. The program will require evaluation of effectiveness at the end of the first year to make necessary changes for the following year. And this is part of our continuous improvement program to support and prepare all of our students for diverse pathways to success, not just for college students, but also for career-ready students.